Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study very well. First, define clear, specific goals for each study session. Break down larger topics into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Prioritize your material, focusing on the most important or challenging subjects first. This structured approach helps you stay focused and track your progress effectively, making your study time much more productive and less stressful. Next, engage with your material using active learning techniques. Instead of just rereading, try to recall information from memory. Implement spaced repetition, reviewing topics at increasing intervals to solidify your understanding over time. A great method is to explain concepts aloud to someone else, or even to yourself, ensuring you truly grasp the subject matter deeply. Your environment plays a crucial role in effective studying. Create a dedicated study space that is free from distractions, like your phone or social media. Ensure you have good lighting and comfortable seating to prevent discomfort and maintain focus. Keep your materials organized and easily accessible, reducing wasted time searching and helping you stay on task. Finally, remember the importance of review, rest, and self-care. Regularly revisit past material to reinforce your learning and prevent forgetting. Incorporate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so to prevent mental fatigue and maintain concentration. Prioritize adequate sleep and healthy nutrition, as these are fundamental for optimal brain function and overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.